Hi, in this video, we will look into creating charts in Excel. So let's go into an Excel spreadsheet. In this worksheet, what we have is a date from January 2005 to January 2014. And then we have stock prices for Walmart, Yahoo, Microsoft, Ford, and Kellogg. So what we will do is we are going to plot first the Walmart, Yahoo, and Microsoft stock prices. And then what we will do is we will also plot the stock prices that are not adjacent to each other. So let's start with the first three, Walmart, Yahoo, and Microsoft. And what I will do is I will select those cells. Actually, let me make this a little larger so you guys can see better. Make this bigger so it's easier to follow. So as I said, we will select Walmart, Yahoo, and Microsoft. And what I did is I placed my cursor and then I selected all of them. And then I will go into Insert and I will go into a line chart. I would like to draw this as a line chart. And then I have options in here. I am going to pick this one, line with markers. And then here, as you can see, Excel is going to plot that for me like this. And then it placed it right next to the table. So I have my chart now. But like in the horizontal axis, what it did, it created numbers from 1 to 10. But what I like to do is I like to place the date in there so it makes sense when we are looking at this chart that we have plotted annual stock prices against the years. So what I will do is I will select the data, and in there I will go into horizontal axis labels, and then I will pick those dates, and then I will say OK. And then you can see that now Excel added those dates. So whoever is reviewing this chart can see that these are annual stock prices with respect to the date and for each January. And then I did change the chart title so it reads specifically as annual stock prices. So now the next thing is, what if I like to look at Walmart, Yahoo, and then I would also look like the Ford instead of just looking at the ones that are adjacent to each other. So what I did is I first selected Walmart and Yahoo, and then I clicked on the control key and then selected the column corresponding to Ford. And then I'll do the same thing. I will go to Insert, and I will go to that line chart and I will pick that one with the markers. And it placed it near the other one, but I will move it at the bottom of the table so that I can see both of them clearly in terms of like how they behave. And then I'll do the same thing for this one because I want to see the dates. So I will select the data. I will go to that horizontal axis labels and I will pick the dates. and then click OK. That way I have the dates. And then I will also change this title in here to read annual stock prices. And whoever is reviewing this chart can see that this is for Walmart. The blue one is Walmart. The orange or red one is Yahoo. And then the gray one is Ford in this chart. And then what you can do is if you want to make it even more specific, under the chart title, when you write annual stock prices, you could say annual stock prices for Walmart, Yahoo, and Ford. And that way they don't have to think about, oh, what is this for? And they can immediately see it is for those three stocks. And then they can look at the legend and see which color corresponds to the other one. So what I like you to do is you have this template, and then next to it you have the complete charts in the next worksheet. But what I want you to do is use this template and see if you can create those charts, and then compare that to the next worksheet to make sure that you have done what you were supposed to do. Talk to you soon.